The Agriculture Department reported a drop in basic commodity prices at the Mega Q Mart. The agency says that it will monitor rice prices over a 2-month span to possibly implement further reductions, and is also tightening its monitoring of compliance to the MSRP for pork. Vel Custodio has the details.
The Department of Agriculture, or DA, and the Department of Trade and Industry, or DTI, conducted a special price monitoring in Mega Q Mart and a supermarket this morning. According to DA, the price of basic commodities have dropped, particularly in imported rice, which the 45 pesos maximum suggested retail price implementation begins today.
Kung nakausap din namin ni Sec Rocky yung mga nagtitinda ng baboy, ng isda, ng bigas, sabi nila mas malakas ang bili ngayon ng mga consumer dahil bumaba nga yung presyo ng bigas.
Even though grocery doesn't implement MSRP, rice prices also decreased.
Yung pag-ikot namin dati, ang tataas ng mga presyo ng bigas, now it's really gone down to may 40 na, 45. Tapos yung dating 58, wala na pong 58. So talagang ang laki ng binaba ng presyo ng bigas.
DA will conduct a 2-month assessment to see if it can be further lowered to 42 pesos without incurring profit loss for rice retailers. Meanwhile, compliance with the pork MSRP reached almost 30% since it was first implemented on March 10. The Agriculture Department and pork stakeholders are holding a meeting to identify any compliance issues. DA will tighten its monitoring on compliance to the consolidated 230 peso farm gate price for pork. The department will also set up a meeting with garlic importers to discuss ways in lowering the price of garlic.